Welcome to Car Culture Club, your one-stop destination for everything automotive, from detailed reviews to the latest car news and feature breakdowns. In today's video, we're diving deep into the specs and features of the 2025 Toyota Camry Executive, a model that continues to redefine what a premium midsize sedan can offer. The 2025 Toyota Camry Executive comes with a fresh design and a refined interior that blends comfort with sophistication. This variant sits at the top of the Camry lineup, and it's aimed at buyers who appreciate advanced technology, luxurious touches, and a smooth driving experience. Under the hood, the Camry Executive is powered by a 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor in the hybrid variant, delivering a combined output of around 225 horsepower. This setup is mated to an eCVT transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and optimized fuel efficiency, which is a major plus for those who do a lot of city and highway driving. On the exterior, the 2025 Camry Executive features subtle yet elegant design changes. A new front grille with a slimmer profile, redesigned LED headlamps, and chrome accents give the car a more upscale look. The rear gets a sportier treatment with sleek taillights and dual exhaust outlets, adding to its executive presence on the road. The car rides on stylish 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the market, which complement its poised stance. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with top-tier materials and thoughtful design. The executive trim boasts leather upholstery, power-adjustable ventilated seats with memory function, ambient interior lighting, and a panoramic sunroof. The dashboard is dominated by a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is paired with a premium JBL audio setup for crystal-clear sound, making long drives more enjoyable. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2025 Camry Executive is packed with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. A 360-degree camera and blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert further enhance safety, especially in urban and tight parking scenarios. The vehicle also comes with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Comfort and convenience are key highlights in the executive model. You get wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, dual-zone climate control, rear sunshades, and a power rear window sunshade for added comfort during sunny days. The trunk offers generous space for luggage, and the rear seats can fold down for extra cargo flexibility. This model is ideal for professionals, families, or anyone who wants a luxurious yet practical sedan with a strong reputation for reliability. Toyota continues to build on the Camry's legacy.